Hello traders, this is Alla Peters, founder of Fibonacci Trading Institute and proprietary Alpha Fibonacci System. In this webinar, I will be teaching you how to trade like a hedge fund trader with Alpha Fibonacci System. But first, I would like to remind you, very important disclaimer, that myself, my team, and everyone at Fibonacci Trading Institute are not financial advisors. We are here to educate you, to empower you how to become professional, powerful trader. All the content of the products, courses, software, if for educational purposes only. All software demonstrated as is without any warranty. All testimonials from students are believed to be true. No one had ever been paid for any testimonials. And of course, I hope you recognize that trading any instrument is risky, and you never trade with risk you cannot afford. Let's start, shall we? In this webinar, we will cover key steps to trade like a hedge fund trader with Alpha Fibonacci System. We will go over multiple examples from day trading to long-term future stocks Forex in current and prior markets. You will see how Alpha Fibonacci traders trade and how you can trade like a hedge fund trader with Alpha Fibonacci System. Briefly about myself. I hold multiple degrees. I came to US with practically nothing. With less than 8 years in US, I made first million. I continue exploring in business and medical field in real estate throughout the years until 2008. Crash 2008 changed everything. I started questioning everything about markets, and I started seeing clearly that if trading on fundamentals and earnings worked, every person on the planet will be Bill Gates. It does not. I recognized clearly that market formed by Fibonacci. I developed first proprietary strategy. 2011 I started Fibonacci Trading Institute, Fibonacci Trading YouTube channel. Now we also have podcast channel where you can listen to Alpha Fibonacci traders. I work with Wall Street traders. I work with hedge fund manager from JP Morgan to Middle East to Saudi Arabia, as well as I work with beginner traders who have very small accounts. I teach identical thing as I just finished in the class, and you will see feedbacks from my incredible students who are my friends for life. I travel the world meeting students. In this image you see Forex hedge fund manager in Switzerland with whom I had an incredible dinner. You see hedge fund traders who are trading options in US, in Middle East, as well as you see retail traders who are trading identical system. This is a message I received recently from Carlton. As you can see, after meeting with me, Carlton stayed up whole night trading. Currently, he's trading for hedge fund, being up 7% in another account. So, and if you will listen to podcast channel, which I will give you the link later on, you can hear Carlton's journey. You can hear what he does every day to continue being successful hedge fund trader. Prior, Carlton tried for 15 years, spending hundreds of thousands of dollars. Carlton trading this Alpha Fibonacci Trading System, complete semi-automated system with multi-market scanner and proprietary Alpha Fibonacci software. This is strategic, precise, institutional trend system that removes speculation and allows trader to trade markets as strategic Alpha Fibonacci chess. Here is the system right now in live markets. This is Dow. This is Dow futures in front of you. Days in advance were identified. This is reversal zone. Expect sell-off on Dow here. One word reversal zone is present. Intelligent Alpha Fibonacci trader never, ever, ever buying near. These proprietary levels you can install on any platform you choose, on any instrument you choose, and it allows you to identify hours and days in advance, ultimate top, ultimate bottom on any time frame. So if now I convert this chart to 5-minute, which is very popular on any instrument you trade in day trading. This is your ultimate support point this morning at the open. As we discussed with students, this is your ultimate buy, correct? And if I bring to your attention the software, in addition to long-term Fibonacci levels, you will see clearly ultimate precision, which you also can see on our YouTube channel. You never ever ever short near support levels. You never ever ever buy near resistance levels. And all of this applies to oil weekly, pound monthly, Apple daily. You decide what you want to trade. And if I convert this chart to 15, identical formula remains. So if you understand where critical support is, if you understand where critical reversal zone is, you sleep very well at night, and you taking your ultimate position with ultimate precision, as you will see on multiple instruments next. Trader who trades 5-minute chart can trade easily daily, hourly, and monthly. And if I bring to your attention identical system right now on Amazon, what do you see? This is reversal zone where Amazon had been for the last 3 months. So why in the world would anyone want to buy here? This is where you take profits off the table. You are not entering into. Amazon, identical rally since the start of 2019, as you see on Dow. It's identical top, it's identical reversal, it's identical price action. If you can trade pure price, you can trade them all. And with Alpha Fibonacci system, you know this in advance. And that's the power of knowing price and Fibonacci only. So an incredible Jennifer raising her account by 70% during the worst market conditions because her husband Emmanuel brought her to the course. Guess who is starting their own hedge fund? This incredible couple. There is no limits. I am mentoring limitless human beings, limitless traders who understand that trading with institutions is the most important part of your trading. So let's take a look on what played out in the last few months, shall we? On S&P and Dow. Here is Alpha Fibonacci system during crisis on S&P as well as Dow. Dow selling off, sell-off in progress. There is no surprise. Intelligent trader knows everything far in advance. So when post-hold rally starts, there is no surprise where it's coming from. Price reached Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. What does the intelligent trader knows? Institutions already buying on the way down. You never hear on the news that market rallying, because if market crashes 5,000 points but bullish rally 2,000 points, you only hear negative news. How does that make sense? Because top 1% makes the news. Top 1% creates the panic and negativity and buying market already. So if you understand how crucial these institutional buy zones are, despite the worst news, the worst panic, you never ever ever shorting near. You buying with JP Morgan traders. And when, during the worst weeks, we know many months in advance where ultimate institutional buy point will be on March 23rd, that's where bullish rally starts from. All in advance, never after the fact. So if you're trading with institutions and not against them, you are not surprised where selling pressure coming from right now. It is very simple. Dow reached reversal zone. Profit taking is on. It's exact same formula on Amazon, on anything you choose to trade. If you can trade one, you can trade them all with Alpha Fibonacci System. Taking this first key step, trading without indicators. This is a class I just finished teaching this. Every single chart looks like this. This is what institutional traders do. They are not chasing indicators. They only pay attention to price. And if you understand that pound looks exact same way, you are not blocking your vision. If you understand that Apple looks exact same way, you are not blocking your vision. You will see why Apple collapsed next. 5-minute chart on S&P looks identical. You can trade one, you can trade them all. But this is a reason for sell-off traders. S&P reached Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone, as Apple and Amazon have done. Response at 3200 is crucial, critical. This support is out. Ouch. This is next. Next. All in advance. Many months ahead. This is S&P mini future, institutional chart. This is where billions of dollars traded. So if you understand how institutional traders think, trading only pure price with predictive precision of Alpha Fibonacci method, you will never need anything else. You understand this support holding the key for months to come. We identified this since March. We are at the end of September. And that's the power of the system. on day trading charts, minutes and hours in advance, on long-term charts, days, weeks, months in advance. No stress, no speculation ever. No indicators needed ever. And that's two key components of the system: indicator-free price and proprietary Alpha Fibonacci retracements. Across all instruments, nothing else is needed ever. So if you trade S&P with Alpha Fibonacci system, you have precise stop, precise targets. There is no speculation. There is no random stop. There is no random target. Pure price that shows you volume, that shows you strength, that shows you weakness, that shows you with ultimate precision. Trading with Alpha Fibonacci system is a stress-free trading. So 14-year-old Dominic knows that he will be a hedge fund trader and increases his account drastically. So can anyone. I teach him identical system as I teach to JP Morgan trader. It shows you the simplicity. Listen to Dominic's podcast on our podcast channel. His father Andy brought him to the course. System is not complicated, it's pure, it's precise. If a child can become successful, if a child knows that he will be hedge fund trader at the age of 14, you can do this. This shows you the simplicity as traders share daily in every class. As you can see, Andy is sharing my 14-year-old son trading using only AFS system. Other traders you can see trading options, stocks, bitcoins using identical system as traded by JP Morgan trader I mentored. That's it. You will never need anything else. Only this. On any instrument, any account, any position, you identify, do you want to trade gold, or do you want to trade SPY, Bitcoin, XLM, or do you want to trade option? If you can do 64 for 64 trades, if you can trade maximum 8 hours per week to absolute maximum 10-20 hours per week, that's all you ever need. Go golfing. That's the power of institutional trend, precise Alpha Fibonacci system. It applies to any platform, any account, any instrument. Trader of any level can trade it with ease. Here's Alpha Fibonacci system on Amazon 2018. Amazon stock mid-trend. Years in advance you know where Amazon reversal zone will be. So when Amazon starts selling off, no one is surprised. How is it possible? Amazon comes out with spectacular earnings. Amazon in free fall, selling off $700 per share. And when Amazon retraces back up to reversal zone 2019 again and selling off another $400 per share, no one should be surprised. All of this after excellent earnings. This continues non-stop. Excellent earnings do not matter. Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone does, where you can buy Amazon at the bottom. Identical system on 5-minute chart. This is S&P right now in live markets. This is the bottom. So if you decide to trade 5-minute chart, this is S&P on 5-minute chart. from ultimate bottom to ultimate top. Charts are twins with Amazon. And if I convert this chart to 3, would you trade better if you knew precise entry, precise stop, precise target? If you knew that this is not the place to enter, you can trade them all. How would your trading be if you knew that this is not the place to short? This is your trading range on S&P for the last hour. Ultimate precision during the worst market conditions. Charts are twins on Amazon and any time frame on S&P. Bullish rally exhausted. Sellers are weak. Sellers stuck at support. And that's the power of the system. They let you buy the top, sell the top, and shows you what never to short into. That's it. You can trade one, you can trade them all with Alpha Fibonacci System. So here's another student, shares in the room. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, very popular, as you can see. Scott is a hedge fund trader, trading alongside with retail traders. Trading Bitcoin, trading stocks, trading options. Every trade a different instrument, as Ken keep updating us 82 for 82. You decide what you want to trade. Choice is yours. As Ken says, Fibs is magic. Fantastic work, everyone. This is power of community of Alpha Fibonacci traders. And this is what Scott has done, taking his hedge fund account from 4 million to above 6 million in a couple of months with Alpha Fibonacci System. You can do this on few $1,000 account, as many traders do all over the world. You will see next where you can find much more, as students keep sending me emails time and time again with their performance. Second key step, strategize as institutional traders do. Identify institutional trends and ranges prior to placing a trade. Successful trader trades only with institutional trends. What would your trading be if you traded with institutional power? Ask yourself that question. So this is a bullish rally on Dow. Bullish rally is done. It's over. Market in correction. Wall Street waiting for election. Knowing how to prepare for historical election is crucial, because instantly markets will change. Let me remind you what played out with Alpha Fibonacci System during last election 2016. This was S&P rally prior to election. As you can see, subsequent targets next. 4 months prior to election, S&P pulling back. There is no surprise. Decision point 1 is the end of the minor trend. It is ultimate brick wall. Night of the election, spectacular vicious buying. S&P skyrockets to the target identified months in advance and heading higher and higher and higher, reaching Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone 2018. Where did the market reverse from? Ultimate Alpha Fibonacci support. But you knew this in 2016, when you knew where price will head to after the election. It's identical level. That's the symmetry. That's the power of the system. So day trading, not your cup of tea. Use options, use long-term positions, as traders do all over the world. Choice is yours. Is it 3 minutes? Is it 1 minute? Or is it long-term position investing, as billions of dollars traded on these charts? Understanding what institutions do will forever remain the most important part of your trading. With Alpha Fibonacci System, it identifies all in advance, never ever after the fact. And this is S&P right now, months and 10 days before election. We are very, very clear what to expect. No stress, no panic, ultimate precision with institutional power, with institutional trends. And that's what traders trade at institutional levels, with very little time, with ultimate opportunity. One of the recent trading morning lasted 2 minutes, as you can see, traders share. 26 points on Dow, 3 on S&P, 30 points, boom, trade day, 2 minutes. Scott prefers to trade futures and options on stocks, with scan on Bitcoin, with Gene on very different instrument. Every trader different account, every trader different time frame. Every trader who makes an effort becomes ultimate success. Trading identical system from $500 account to 5 million to 5 billion, all in the same room. It shows you what's possible with Alpha Fibonacci System. Trading pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exit. You will never need anything else. This is rule-based entry. This is rule-based target. No speculation here. Nothing is ever needed again. Only this. And when oil reaches ultimate bottom 2016, let's take a look what played out. As I work with Hedge Fund Manager in Saudi Arabia, to whom you can listen on our podcast session. Oil reaches ultimate bottom 2016, reverses with vengeance, reaching the end of the minor trend. This is a problem, as you saw on S&P prior to the last election. So when 2 years later oil doubles in value, you know far in advance where reversal zone will be. And when oil starts selling off from reversal zone, you know years in advance. I show this in the class where zero on oil will be. This is oil during historical crash 3 years later. You know in advance oil heading to zero. Everyone in shock. How is it possible? We know that oil will continue existing. Is zero possible? Yes. This means opportunity to buy the bottom, which is what Saudi student did, celebrating his profits time and time again. This is the power of the system, allowing you to short the top and buy the bottom with ultimate precision. Now oil in trouble, frozen at the end of the minor trend. Oil being at Alpha Fibonacci resistance identified many months in advance, for months and months and months. It's exact same thing that played out on any chart you choose to trade. It's exact same thing, an identical reversal on 3-minute S&P. You can trade one, you can trade all. Pullback on 3-minute lasted 10 minutes. Pullback on 1 minute showing you to the tick. Price is identical no matter what you trade. The only difference, are you holding position for a couple of minutes, for days or weeks or months? You decide. Choice is yours. That's ultimate precision on any instrument, any time frame. Third key step of the hedge fund trading. Identify your trading range prior to placing a trade. Every single day trading range varies. Market conditions change daily. Last few weeks is a perfect example. Let me remind you what the markets looked like in the last few weeks. When Dow starts skyrocketing and rally is setting up, this is a breeze. This is what child can trade. You are buying the pullbacks. You are not touching any shorts. The biggest vertical rally with institutions is on. Top 1% just became 25% richer. You cannot find yacht for sale. You cannot find plane for sale. The biggest profits despite the worst crisis is a stunning lesson. Trade with institutions as a hedge fund trader is the only way to trade. And you know months in advance where institutions will be taking profits off the table. Now it's a mild profit taking is on. Trading is very challenging, extremely challenging. But if you know many days in advance that this is your ultimate buy zone, and if you exiting your long here, you've been done long time ago. You are not staring at the chart. You are not staring at the screen for hours. You are trading as hedge fund trader, not a gambler. You are riding Goldman Sachs train. And this is the reason students are so grateful. This is from class I just finished. This is brand new team of hedge fund traders. This is keeps coming non-stop. This is new student. I want to let you know that I really enjoy your program, all the content you put together, and the great atmosphere. Your work provides a whole new view on the markets for me. There is no surprise, all precise. If these traders can do it during the worst market conditions, accomplishing 87% win rate, and the worst trader can become the best trader ever, so can you. What is stopping you? All of this in the last few days. I can give you thousands and thousands of emails and testimonials from all over the world that you can find on our website. I will continue uploading all I receive. On our podcast channel, you can listen to traders. Time and time again, one of these traders, or many of them just like you, struggled for many, many years, spending a fortune trying every indicator on the planet. If they can do it, so can you. And that's community of incredible traders all over the world, some of whom sponsored by Topstep Trader. This is hedge fund performance from 100,000 to 4.8 million with Alpha Fibonacci System. But if you're trading small account and you've been trying for 20 plus years, not a problem. That's what it looks like a year later with Alpha Fibonacci System. That's it. Simply make an effort. You will never need ever anything else. That's the reason I mentor Wall Street traders who never need another indicator again. Because if you know months and years in advance, minutes and hours in advance, where to buy, where to sell, you are not gambling, you are not sweating, you are not stressing, you are trading with rules, with ultimate precision. And that's what played out at very difficult trading range, in very difficult markets, time and time again. All of this only recently. And we are in the worst market conditions ever. Every trader, different account, different instrument. From 3.5 point on gold, 8 point on gold, 3.5 S&P, 48 points on Dow, 35 points in Q, 2 points S&P. Her husband Emmanuel brought Jennifer to the course, start trading crypto and more and more and more, non-stop, every single day, utilizing synchronicity of multi-market scanner. This is what scanner looks like. You wait for your trade and you wait for alert. You're very well prepared with institutional trading range, with institutional bias. You're not flipping the charts. You can scan with the scanner markets in seconds. You are trading stress-free as hedge fund trader. You understand that you have zero interest in being majority that keep chasing indicators forever. Answer lies in you. And that's what traders proving every single day. Alpha Fibonacci System with community of supportive, like-minded traders, with established system, with experienced mentor, is all you will ever need. So if you come to the website, this is annual event we are setting up for. Annual Genesis Trading Bootcamp. This event will not repeat until at least 2023. So if you come to the home page, please read and understand that all 4 options, all group courses, all software comes with additional Genesis Trading System. 10 days from October 26 to November 6 will be historical trading event, as market will change from the worst to extreme volatility instantly. An intelligent trader will take advantage of this. So if you click on Genesis Trading Bootcamp detail, you will see we have only 5 spaces left. A video explaining what to expect in Bootcamp also posted in this section. So all of these additional features, Alpha Fibonacci Genesis Trading System Savings 2000, Alpha Fibonacci 10 Days Live Trading Bootcamp Value of 2000, Genesis Video Library, all of these additional features added to 4 options. 4 options live group course with video library or 6 months private mentoring includes annual Genesis Trading Bootcamp. So if you want to trade like a hedge fund trader, that person is right next to you in our community, supporting each other. I promise, in this bootcamp, I teach to you much more than I taught to JP Morgan trader, than I taught to Saudi Arabian manager. You can listen to them here. You can view videos of the system here. You decide what you want to trade. You decide what platform. You decide what instrument. If you want to trade with software, software for Ninja 8. Method globally traded on any platform. No software required. Any questions? Do not hesitate to pick up the phone and call, or send me email with your number 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. It's been my joy and pleasure to present to you. Thank you, traders, so much. I look forward to seeing you in annual Alpha Fibonacci Genesis Bootcamp. This event will not repeat until at least 2024. Only 5 spaces left.